My dog actually got a package in the mail, and he just ran because he saw me taking it out, and now he's stuffing his face. But I'll show you what they are before I let him have them again. So it is a rope toy pack. It comes with this long blue one. It comes with a rope ball, which I've never seen before. And here's a shorter rope one. And then this rope, which I think he is going to love, comes with a bone that he can chew on, and then the rope as well. One thing I like about the rope toys is it really helps keep their teeth clean, because these ropes are like getting all in the nooks and crannies, and that's why I really like the rope toys. But let me see if he'll stop eating. Bud, what are you doing? Are you eating dinner? Let me see which one. I'll try this blue one first. Hey, look what I got. Bud, excuse me. Look what's here. It's a toy. Oh. Can I have it? Can I have this toy? Can I have it, please? Are you gonna take it from... Hey, give it back, mister. Can I have some? Hey, I like that it's long because my fingers are safer. He gets carried away, and he actually has got me a few times because, you know, he's playing. So I like that this one is longer. Good boy. Now we have number 2. He's going to think he just went to heaven. What about this one? What about this one? Hmm? What about this one? What about this one? Hey, are you going to get it? Oh. Hey! Now let's see what it does with this one. What is that? You get it? Ah, he doesn't have to be taught how to use that one. And now number 4. Hey, what's going on? Is this my birthday or something? Oh, I knew he would like that ball. You like it, mister? Oh, he loves balls. Nice. I love it when he throws things around. Is it fun? Yes, I knew he would enjoy these. I think the rope toys, they last a really long time, and I just love, he's checking them all out. He's like, what is this? I got 4 new toys today? I must have been a good boy. Let me see about this one here. You got it from me? Hey! Is it fun, mister? I don't think I've ever had one that had a rubber piece on it like that. Which one's your favorite? Which new toy is your favorite? Which one do you like the best? Oh, nice. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get that toy. Get it. Get it. Oh, dust just flew by. Nice. I'm going to put the link down below for these. These are awesome. I love when he's happy. Is it fun? Definitely a great deal. The 4 toys come in the bag. Oh, he's got his bone too on top of that fact of the other toys. I'm gonna... Bud, what do you got?